Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to leave a group in Life360. Leaving a group or circle in the Life360 app is a straightforward process, whether you're a regular member or the circle's creator. And here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you through the process. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open the Life360 app on your device, then select the circle you wish to leave by tapping the circle switcher at the top of the screen. So select any circle. Once you select that, access the settings by tapping the gear icon in the upper left corner. Then from here, you find a couple of options: smart notifications, circle management, location sharing, account draft detection, flight detection, refer friends, privacy and security help articles, chat with support, about in logger. Go ahead and click on circle management from the list of options. Then from here, you're going to see a couple of options to edit circle name, my role, change admin status, add circle members, set bubble access, and leave circle. So go ahead and tap on leave circle at the bottom of the screen. Then confirm your decision when prompted. After completing the steps, you will no longer be part of the selected circle and your location will no longer be shared with its members. Now for circle creators, which are otherwise known as admins, if you are the creator of the circle, you will need to transfer admin rights before leaving. Open the Life360 app and select the circle you wish to leave. Tap on the gear icon like we did in the upper left corner. Choose circle management from the menu and it's going to take you here. Now click on tap on admin, change admin status, and select the member to assign as the new admin. If you have members, you'll find them in this window. Once you're done, return to the circle management window and tap leave circle. Confirm your decision when prompted. Now, once you have transferred admin rights and left the circle, you will no longer have access to its location information or settings. I'd like you to know that other circle members will be notified when you leave the circle, and to rejoin the circle, you'll need to be re-invited by an existing member or admin. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.